Hey guys, how's it going? Coach Chosen here. In this video, I am giving you a back office overview and showing you how to navigate, right? Now, the only tab I'm not going to show is the profile because it does have my phone number on there and it's the referral link, which you'll be able to see on the referrals tab. So let's go ahead and start here. We're going to start with the subscriptions tab, right? Now, here is where you're going to see the amount that you spent on your monthly fee or your yearly fee, right? So I started February 19th and it's April 19th. That's crazy. It's April 19th. So literally 2 months. And as you see, in 2 days, my next billing cycle will go and boom, I'll be charged another $29. Then you have your auto renew. So you need to have your auto renew on because this is what has the bot running for you, right? And if you're just now getting started, let's just say you're watching this video, you just created your account, your first 30 days is free. So you don't have to worry about anything or having to pay for anything for your first 30 days. That's a blessing. Below that, as you see, we have the usage statistics. Statistics, right? Total trades that is taken 109. We've won 105 and lost four. 96.3% win rate. That is amazing. So then down here, of course, you got the subscriptions. You got the either $29 a month or $248 for the year. Hold on one second. All right, little mama just woke up. So we're back to it. So we got 109 trades, 105 wins, four losses, 96.3% win rate. That is amazing, right? So that's a subscription tab. Here we can go to the referrals tab next. Boom. So again, you have info, downlines, transaction milestones. So of course, referral code, you got your email. Here's your referral link. So once you have your account, you're going to see that you'll have your own referral link and you just copy it and send it to people so that way they can sign up under you. I have 445 people in my downline. So available right now, if I wanted to withdraw, I have $32.18. This is from the referrals. So as the bot is making people money, that creates us income as well. And then when people deposit, you get 10% of whatever they deposit. So this is the available balance. Ledger balance is pretty much when it's money pending before it goes available. This is the total amount of commissions that I've made total since I've been with Crybex. This is the team volume. So team volume is everybody that you send your referral link to, when they send their referral link out and they send their referral link out and all of that, that's the team volume. So as a whole, everybody in my organization has deposited $23,644.16 at this moment, right? And then my level one is it's only the people that I personally referred. So my personal referrals is my level one. They have deposited $4,666.38, right? So that is that portion. And then down here, you got the breakdown of your generations. So level one, I got 25. My level two, 330. Level three, 65. Level four, level five, right? So that's the breakdown of the generations. From there, we go to wallets. So this is where you're able to see what you have in your account, right? So whatever your initial balance was and the commissions that came from the system working for you will be right here. We got the total profits and loss. We are up total 36%. Up here, you can deposit, withdraw, and of course, trade. I've never clicked on trade, but deposit, of course, this is how you put money into the account. Withdraw, this is how you take money out of the account. Now, remember, whatever your initial deposit is, you have to let that money sit there for 90 days. So that way it can stake and it does what it does. After that 90 days, you can withdraw it with no problem. Remember, If it's within that 90 days, there will be a 28% fee. So down here, the holdings, these are the pairs, right? And this is not all of them, but this is just some of the pairs there. Asset allocations here, you got the deposit history, right? Boom. So 31 days left, deposited there. Withdrawals, as you see here, boom. It does work as well with withdrawing. So that is the wallets tab and orders. If you're able, if you're ever able to catch the bot in action, you'll see it here, open orders, you'll see the active trade that it's in, right? Order history, of course, just showing you the history of the orders that it's taken. So you see Dash USDT, it took that trade, Pendle, LDO, DEXE, right? All these different pairs. I'm calling them pairs because I trade. These are cryptocurrencies, crypto coins. And then you got your realized P&L. So this is what I love about it. Everything's transparent. Here's the market, aka the coin that is trading. The buy price, sell price, buy amount, sell amount, the realized P&L. So if you won or lost, this is where you will look. And then of course, how much did it cost to get into that trade, right? That's the fee. And of course, you got the date that the trade was taken. So yesterday it took two trades, won them both. Now let's just look at it. All these wins, and we just took a loss recently. Here we go, a 5 cent loss. And remember, we only had four losses total. So a 5 cent loss. These are all wins. And then March 1st was the last loss. Boom. $4.68. And then a break even. And then a break even. Then boom. A $9.16 loss. Boom. Another loss. $13.83. You see how the losses are a minimum and the wins are greater, right? So again, I told you I started February 19th. So it works. If you work, that is the back office overview. I hope you got value from it. I know it's real simple. And of course, notifications is notifications. When you withdraw, you get a notification. When anything happens, you get a notification, right? And that is your back office overview. I appreciate you being here. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn the notification bell on. And let's win bigger than we ever have. Chosen.